Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. अभी बज रहे हैं 12 and we have started the journey towards Mysore and I'll introduce you to my partner in crime, Rahul. Are you excited,
Not going
Rahul?
to do any crime आज.
Okay, but इतने रात को हम निकल रहे हैं for the first time.
After a long time.
After a long time, like not long time, it's the first time actually.
And this is our first vlog, first time bike ride.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you sleepy?
No.
Okay.
I was.
You were?
I was.
Are you better now?
Yeah.
So let's get started and I'll keep you posted. Okay? Bye. Show me your face. Your nose is red. So we have stopped here for
Lunch.
lunch.
Everything feels ulta for me. Lunch, dinner. I'm not feeling well.
So let's take a U-turn and go back.
खाने के बाद.
Okay, so we have stopped here and we are having something like some sort of dinner. This guy looks very sad. So we are somewhere in between and it's 6 a.m. Look at this, it's so beautiful. हम actually किसी village sort of जगह के अंदर आ गए हैं and it's full cloudy. Ideally sunrise हो जाना चाहिए but then it's very cloudy but it looks so beautiful and this road reminds me of Goa. है ना? Good morning and we are about to enter Mysore finally and it's drizzling. I mean it's not drizzling, it's raining. See? But it's a beautiful weather. Look at the rain. So let's go and explore the city. Hi guys, so it was quite hectic. As you saw, we started at 12 a.m. हमने सोचा कि काफ़ी मज़े आने वाले हैं और हम 2-व्हीलर पे जाएंगे ये वो बट देन आधे घंटे 1 घंटे के बाद ना समझ आ जाता है कि मुश्किल है थोड़ा सा. तो हमने स्टार्ट किया. हम बीच में जर्नी एज़ पर द मैप्स 3 घंटे की थी बट हमने कुछ 5 घंटे लगाए हैं क्योंकि हम हर जगह रुकते आ रहे थे. कंटिन्यूस बैठने से अगेन बैक पेन होने लगा. सो टी कॉफ़ी करते करते वी रीच्ड अराउंड 6 o'clock एंड 6 o'clock बारिश हो रही थी एज़ यू सॉ. बारिश हो रही थी और काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल था. वी कुड हियर पिकॉक और बहुत डिफरेंट बर्ड्स एंड डिफरेंट क्रिएचर्स. बहुत अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट था क्योंकि बारिश हो रहा था. इट वॉज लुकिंग वेरी प्लीजेंट एंड देन वी चेकड इन एंड वी गॉट रेडी. वी टुक थोड़ा सा रेस्ट बिकॉज पूरी रात जगे हुए हैं. सो अभी हम निकल रहे हैं. वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स some place. I don't know exactly what. When we go there then I'll tell you which place is this. And also this is the first time I'm vlogging aisa about my trips and stuff. So I don't know how it will come across as a whole video but I'm trying my best. And what else? Yeah, that's it. looks delicious. What is it, Rahul?
Ghee puri idli.
Okay. I have also ordered a Mysore masala dosa. Let's see. But this looks really yum. So we are heading towards Chamundi Hills.
आज संडे है ना?
1:48. So we just stopped here and look at the view. Wow. अभी और भी ऊपर जाना बाकी है. But then look at this. Oh, quite pretty. So we have reached here and since it's a Sunday आज थोड़ा rush है and हम पार्किंग की ओर जा रहे हैं. It's quite pretty though. गरीबों का Eiffel Tower. It's a small market sort of thing. We are entering inside the temple. Should we take this for Putukuti? Chua. It's gorgeous. बहुत ही सुंदर मंदिर है ये. बट बहुत भीड़ है, बहुत संडे है इसलिए काफ़ी भीड़ है एंड मुझे नहीं लगता हम जा पाएंगे बिकॉज हमें बाकी जगह भी कवर करना है. बट जस्ट लुक एट द क्राउड हियर. लुक एट दिस डूड. ओके. So as you can see it's raining heavily और बहुत ही सुंदर दिख रहा है. कैमरे के ऊपर भी पानी आ गया है. But it's looking so beautiful. Look at the greenery. I mean this scene is beautiful. And Rahul is carrying his raincoat from Bangalore. And I am so completely gone. But I took quite a lot of photos. इसे बारिश में भीग के that I'm gonna post, okay? पूरा मेकअप, पूरा ड्रेस, सब कोई काम कर.
With this beautiful view, it's time to say bye. Until we meet next, यानी कि second vlog में. यही vlog I'm gonna continue in the next video. These are few beautiful stills from the video. Please do come back for the next video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Tired Rahul.